Hey guys, so my desk is light colored and boring, and I've been keeping stuff on it for a couple of weeks now, so it's getting dirty and scratches and so I'm just gonna plane the lacquer off and do something about refinishing it before I put it up in my office. So in the process of planing off the lacquer, it's a very thin piece of veneer that's on the top of my desk, so I tore up some fibers. So I'm gonna have to refill that with the chemical wood. And after sanding and cleaning it off, I noticed a few unfilled holes still on the desk, so I am going to have to refill those. And I do have some rest of the black lacquer that I used for my piano a few weeks ago. So I'm gonna thin that out using some paint thinner, and I'm gonna put that on the desk, see if it works out. I'm not sure with all the fillings and all that stuff. I'm gonna have to see. So personally, I think it's pretty cool. It's got some rustic feel to it, although the rusticity of the feel comes from an artificial sort of in the moment kind of thing. I'm happy with it. I'm not sure if this paint is gonna come off when I start sitting at it for hours, editing videos and doing stuff. I might give it a spray lacquer, and I might even give it a second coat of this thinned out paint. I'm considering the options. See you guys.